Welcome to another Google Merchant Center misrepresentation case study. So often people ask me that why don't you tell us a standard rule of checklist, which we can use to get it restore the Google Merchant Center account. So guys, I already have two of the videos with detailed checklist on my YouTube channel, but believe me, every case is a different case, and this is one such case where we had a lot of time to get it approved to make it running like this. So I will tell you in this video step by step on what we did and how we got it resolved. So this client opted for our complete all-in-one package where we provided them with a website, a Gmail merchant center account plus a Google Ads account. So it was a combo deal we provided to them. So you may see over here. Now I'm going to show you. Now this is the client website. So the client website is in Poland language. You may see over here. This is the client website, and you may see they are selling these pellets and other things. So you may see. Okay, so whenever we think for a website design client, the even if we can develop website in Shopify, in WordPress, or any other platform, we had to get the descriptive requirement of the client, what kind of a design they want, the image, banner, product details, and then we started. My team started on. So I'm going to show you on a few of the things as well, plus how we helped the client. So once the website was developed, we started doing changes to get it approved for merchant center. And you may see over here that the first thing the merchant center team did. Okay, so now the design team in the merchant center were all in a one WhatsApp group communicating with all of them, but both have different JDs, where one team was looking for the compliance for the Google Merchant Center, the other team was making it a perfect website for Shopify WordPress. So you may see that they said that the product descriptions were not found. This was a one quick audit, and after this, we started doing audits. So you may see over here we said that we need to have a website icon. Icon is a small like this over here. You may see over here. Now this is a small icon which was missing. It increases the authenticity, professionalism. And apart from this, you may see the place there was no image over there. We recommended adding a newsletter. We recommended adding 5 frequently asked questions. The company details were cross-checked. You may see over here that they were double mentioned over here and in the footer. So we suggested to remove the one, and we also suggested adding some ratings and making the text color black. So everything was done combinedly. Then all of the checkout procedure was done to see if there is an issue. Then there were broken links, error, mobile speed was needed to be optimized. But the client, because opted for all of the things, so we had to got it solved. And the client had a website malware scanner issue as well, so they were potentially an issue as well. So the security team also looked around and sorted this issue as well. So it's a complete team project, not a single person like me did, but whole team was on this project. So you may see over here, whenever there is a merchant center suspension over here, what we do is we try to add multiple products. We try to look around each of and everything to get it approved. Everything is working fine or not. So you may see over here that all of the compliances takes time to get it approved. Now coming back over here, this was not an audit, but there was multiple audits being done. And please guys, there was a communication being done on the website as well, and on the WhatsApp group there were a lot of things over there. Then Google Merchant Center support as well. So which over a website and quality assurance audit team did was audit done by Robots.txt file and had an issue. So we suggested Robots.txt file. And then there was a placeholder error which was found in newsletter, contact us and search page. We sorted those. Page speed performance was optimized. The malware security check was still over there. Broken links was still over there. So there was still things over there because the multiple team members are looking around. Then there was another audit done where you may see over here. Now this is not clear because we suggested adding recreating the shop page and recreating the product page because they had an issues. I'm now going to show you some implementation page. So you may see over here you get an idea on what things were being done. So you may see over here that add to cart page button was sorted out, shop page was recreated, product page was recreated. Now you may be asked on the shop page. Let me show you over here. Now this was a shop page which was recreated over here because it was not showing all of the products. Sometimes the categories needed to be sorted out, so the error can be versatile depending upon the things requirement. And you may see over here the add to cart is sorted around on the website. You may see we added a small 2% off as well on this as well. Footer header was set it all in compliant. Product pages were recreated. Everything needed to be sorted. Plus, you may see over here that there were some Google Search Console errors over here where there was a URL issues as well. So we sorted those URL issues as well. And then it was ID verification issue as well, where we had to provide the ID. So we assisted the client in providing this ID verification for Google Merchant Center. Now ID verification is another reason why your Google Merchant Center may account be suspended. So we had to solve this out. Plus, the account was being provided by us as a Google partner. We provide dedicated account, and you may see over here that we are targeting Poland, as I told you before as well. So after this, what we did was we requested for the review, and it took us more than 7 days, guys. It's a 7 working business days. Sometimes it can take a lot of days, sometimes lesser days. So this may vary according to the case to case and the client to client over here. And after we requested for the review, then we got an email on one of our company account. So you may see over here, review of misrepresentation for website is complete. The requested review of misrepresentation has been completed, and the issue no longer appears in your account. So you may see over here. Now I'm going to refresh in front of you so you can see yourself, and you can also verify this customer ID as well. So you may see around this is now approved, and if I move on to the product page, I'm going to show you as well that we have sorted and approved all of these. You can see the products now being approved and running. So yeah, this is another successful Google Merchant Center misrepresentation case study. And for those who don't know, we have been sorting out Google Merchant Center, Google Ad disapproval suspensions. We also provide clients with Shopify website development, Google Ads management, Google local service ads, and a lot more. So we are a full-fledged company. We help clients with small and big to big things related to digital marketing. So in case if you need our services, you are more than welcome to hire us through the link in the description. There is a dedicated link to reach out. There are multiple offers we are being mentioned in the description of this video. Make sure to check all of them to see what kind of a requirement you have with us. In case if you have any personal requirements, we also happy to solve those as well. We look around working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.